How to fix the Facebook we are reviewing your request to access marketplace problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having this problem on your Facebook, here are some solutions that you need to try on. First and foremost, check the eligibility requirements. Make sure your age, region, and account status is complete and without any recent violations or restrictions. Next up, first of all, verify your profile information and make sure it's fully updated and accurate. Also, make sure that you have not performed any suspicious behavior and rapidly join multiple groups, send frequent requests in short time, or frequently posted the same content. This might trigger the Facebook notification. Another thing is update your Facebook app or browser. However, if it does not help, go to Help and Center and report a problem. While reporting the problem, you'll have to ensure and mention how your marketplace is under review for an extended period and you have not repeated any spammy behavior. Once you send the report, you should get a reply within 2 to 3 business days by the Facebook support team. And this way, the issue should be fixed. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.